Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So first of all, I'm gonna introduce myself first. My name is Afiq Asyraf bin Zulkifli, and today I would like to make a honest review about my cleanser. And the name of this cleanser is Dermax Bio Perform Acne Cleanser. So this is how the product looks. And for your information, I've been using this cleanser for almost 3 years. Back then on 2019 when I was started using this product. But before I start, I would like to let you know that this video is only for assignment purpose or education purpose, and I have no intention like to show off about my skin. And the other side of this, the purpose of this video is I hope that this video will help those who have skin problems, and I hope by watching this video at least you will gain something, you will learn something. So yeah, let's get started. This cleanser is enriched with a tea tree oil, which is very effective for oily and acne prone skin. It also helps in removing impurities on your skin and helps your skin feels radiant throughout the day. The price of this cleanser is 150 ringgit Malaysia, and it contains 150 ml that can last for 5 to 6 months. So we are at the end of our videos. I would like to thank to everyone who watched this video, who successfully to watch this video until at the end. And I hope by watching this video it can helps you to choose a skincare product that suits with your skin. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Bye.